now it's currently 5 o'clock in the afternoon, in the evening, and we are walking the opposite way where we were earlier. We're now by the farmer's market sign, by the ice cream parlor boardwalk, and here you go. You are about to see how high the water has gone. Earlier we passed the ice cream parlor. We were all the way by CVS, and now we are here, which if you were to live in Manville, you would know that CVS is further down. It's about 2 blocks down. Yeah, 2 to 3 blocks down, and the water has risen up to here. So people walking, ice cream parlor, whatever the sign is. Refrigerator, swimming, swimming.